Hi! Hey guys, it's Nikki. I'm back with a video. I just went crazy on CBD stuff. I had a CBD tincture, CBD vapes, creme brulee, lavender essential oil, CBD. All right, let me just take a hit now from my favorite world's pipe that was beyond creme brulee. Let's taste it. So in this video, as you read the description, it's going to be reviewing Zenni Optical, my glasses, my new glasses I got on CBD. I'm silly. Alright, so I got me some Zenni Optical for my vacation. I need some, actually I really like, I seen this and I'm like, I gotta have it. I have to have it. They are the clear glasses. This is like totally in. I was so excited. They have round ones and square ones, but I feel like square looks better on my face, so I got the square one. So let's check it out. All right, so these are my glasses that I've been wearing a lot because I've grown to love them. They're the Aviators and I absolutely love these. I was wearing my cat eyes before, but someone was like, you know what, you don't really fit cat eyes. So I was like, thank you. I'm going to take that advice, and I was looking, I'm like, yeah, let me just switch it up. This makes me look more like a college student. It makes me look younger for some reason. That's what my mom said. So I really love these glasses. These are like my favorite pair, but let's see the new pair. So this is Zenni Optical. It comes with a case. So this is it. I got like a very basic like prescription, and I don't have progressives or anything like that. Definitely when you're ordering Zenni Opticals, definitely get the anti-glare. It's only $4.95 and it's totally worth it. So like you see how like my glasses right here, I got the anti-glare for this. Like if this didn't have anti-glare, it would be like totally glare central. Like see if like this, because I have so much light in my face, but it's like if I go like this, like it would be totally glare central. It's totally worth it to get the anti-glare. I'm serious. Like I did it one time. I was like trying to be cheap, not get the anti-glare. Worst decision. Worst decision. So here's my new glasses. Comes with a case. And here we go. It has a little, it comes in plastic. And it has one side with that and the wiper, and these are it. Look at them. Look how beautiful they look. They are clear. They are invisible, transparent glasses. Let's give them a try. Take these off. Oh my gosh. These are super light. Oh, look at that. Oh, I like, oh my goodness. Oh my gosh, I love it. What do you guys think? I wish it wasn't like so much my ring light. Ever since I got this ring light, it's just been glaring like every time I wear glasses. I don't know what to do to fix it. What do you guys think? Do you like? Which one looks better? Which one do you think looks better on me? Which pair of glasses do you think looks better on me? Tell me in the comment section below. Do you like me in my Aviator glasses, or do you like me in these transparent glasses? Which one looks better on me? I'm so curious to know from all you guys, my subscribers, or just like random people. Just let me know. Let me know which one looks better on me. I'm super curious to know. I really do like these though. It's awesome. The sides is very thin. This is very like that extremely lightweight. These are like one of the most lightweight glasses, even lighter than this. And it's all plastic. It's see-through. They have circle ones. So I'm gonna put these Aviators. I know you guys asked me. I'm gonna put the links to this Aviators. It was only like 12 bucks. 12 bucks, guys. Seriously. And these were like $12 too. These are like super cheap, but they're so glam. I'm gonna put these up, the ones that I got, the square ones, and I'm gonna put the circle ones. just in case if you want to see what that looks like, if you like circle glasses. But I think I'll try the circle ones next time. It looks nice. I like. All right, so guys, I have coupon code $5 off for you down in the description box below if you are going to shop at Zenni, or if you're just browsing and then end up being like, I want those glasses. They're super cheap, and $5 is $5. It's gonna help. So that's down in the description box if you want to know. I can't stop looking at myself. I really like it. I'm gonna wear this on my vacation. So you guys, I'm going on vacation Sunday. So be sure to check out my videos, my vlogs. I'm going to Disney, Legoland, all that good. So that's it. I only bought one pair of glasses, so it's gonna be a short video. That's why I was just blabbing a little bit. So if you have any questions, just comment down below. I'll try my best to answer it. And thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe to me, please. And like this video if you thought it was helpful, and if you thought I showed you like cool glasses or whatever, I helped you out, you know. Anyways, thank you so much again for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.